There's a new website that anyone, even beginners, can use to make thousands of dollars every day. You don't need to build a website, spend money, or live in a specific place. In this video, I'll explain how the website works and show you 9 easy steps to start making money fast. Step 1. This design is earning over $20,000 a year without selling anything, and the truth is, you can create the same design in under 5 minutes using free AI tools. The business idea is called digital quilting. If this sounds confusing, don't worry, I'll break it down for you. Digital quilting is an innovative approach that allows you to create beautiful quilt designs without ever needing to sew a single stitch. Traditionally, quilting is a craft that involves piecing together fabric to create intricate patterns, often filled with personal meaning. However, in the digital realm, you can replicate this art form using AI tools in just a few minutes. Yes, imagine creating stunning designs that can be shared and sold online, all without the hassle of physical materials or sewing expertise. This not only opens up opportunities for artists, but also provides a platform for anyone interested in crafting beautiful visuals. In this case, you don't need to sell physical items or have any special skills. Instead, I'll show you a simple step-by-step process to get started. The first step is signing up for a free website called Linksly.co. Why Linksly? Well, this site pays you for shortening links. There's no need to sell anything or ask people to spend money. All they have to do is click on your links and you'll earn money. Here's how it works. The website pays you because they show ads to people who click on your links, and then they share the ad revenue with you. To start, just click the register button and create a free account. Step 2, the next thing you need to do is sign up for Pinterest. Now, it's important to understand that Pinterest isn't just another social media platform. It's a highly effective visual search engine with huge potential for affiliate marketing. With approximately 537 million active users every month, Pinterest's user base has been growing steadily by about 12% annually. What makes it even more appealing is that 80% of its weekly users visit the platform specifically to discover products or ideas they want to buy. The platform's audience demographics are also worth noting. Over 70% of Pinterest users are women between the ages of 25 and 34, and around 40% of all users have a household income of $100,000 or more. This combination makes Pinterest a goldmine for those who want to earn money online, as its audience is not only large but also highly motivated to shop and well-positioned to make purchases based on the recommendations they find. So now that you know that, let's set up an account on Pinterest without wasting any more time. As you set up your Pinterest account, think creatively about how you present your brand. Choose a username that reflects your quilting niche, and don't forget to add a profile picture that resonates with your audience. Your bio should be rich in keywords related to quilting, which will help potential followers find you easily. Creating boards focused on various aspects of quilting, like color themes or design styles, will not only showcase your work, but also attract like-minded individuals who share your passion. For now, create boards focused on quilting designs, color themes, or any niche you want to target. Step 3. Before I show you how to bring everything together to start earning those dollars, the next step is to sign up for UpForever.net. This platform pays you to upload files, offering around $7 for every 1,000 downloads. While it might seem like a small payout, remember that with the right strategy, those numbers can add up quickly. Think about how many people are constantly searching for fresh and unique content online. If you can tap into that demand, you could potentially generate thousands of downloads. If you'd like to explore alternatives, you can also check out sites like FileUpload or ZippyShare. One great feature of UpForever is that you only need to earn $1 to withdraw your money instantly. Step 4. The next step is to visit a free AI tool called Leonardo AI. This platform lets you create stunning designs and images just by typing a description. Start by clicking the sign up button and launching the app. Once you're in, go to the image generation section, switch the preset to graphic design, and type in this prompt. Create a quilt design featuring a vibrant geometric pattern. Include a mix of triangles, squares, and hexagons with a bright, bold color palette. Reds, blues, greens, and yellows. Make sure the design looks modern, dynamic, and intricately detailed. After that, you can easily download your design with just one click. Step 5. The next step before we start earning money is to use ChatGPT to come up with blog article ideas that will attract people interested in quilting designs. Simply type in this prompt: I sell quilting designs. Give me 5 blog article ideas that would appeal to my potential customers. Once you have the suggestions, pick one of the titles and move on to the next AI tool, SE Writing. Step 6. SEO Writing is an AI-powered tool that creates SEO-optimized articles, blog posts, and affiliate content with just one click. It supports 48 languages, so start by signing up for free. Next, select the one-click blog post option and paste one of the blog ideas you got from ChatGPT. Then choose to include AI-generated images, one video, and NLP keywords, and click Run. Once the tool generates your blog post, take a few minutes to review and polish it. While AI tools are great, they might not always get the tone or wording just right. Add your own personality and insights to make the content more engaging and relatable for your audience. In about 2 minutes, your full blog post will be ready to go. Step 7. While that's cooking up, visit a free website called Imgur. It's a popular platform for sharing images, memes, GIFs, and funny pictures with a large active community. Imgur's voting system helps the most popular posts rise to the top, and we'll use this to drive free traffic. This platform is not just for memes, it's also an excellent way to share your creations with a broader audience. Start by signing up for a free account and keep the site open. We'll come back to it shortly. Step 8. The next step is to go to Google Drive. Start by creating a new empty folder and uploading all the designs you made with Leonardo AI. I also suggest organizing the designs into multiple folders and then copying the link to one of them. Make sure to change the access settings so that anyone with the link can view it. Next, download the entire folder as a zip file and go back to the Up Forever website. Simply upload your Google Drive designs and copy the link. Remember, when someone clicks on this link and downloads the files, you get paid. So take the link and go back to Linksly.co, where you can create a new shortened link. This way, you'll get paid when someone clicks on the link and when they download the files. Step 9. The most important step, and this is how people are making over $3,000 a day, is to go to Etsy. This platform is where someone made over $48,000 since uploading it. To get started, simply register an account and set up your store. When you sell digital downloads on Etsy, you need to provide buyers with a download link. This will allow you to earn extra income even after the initial sale without the customer needing to pay anything extra. Here's a PRO. Do not limit yourself to just quilting designs. As your skills with AI tools grow, consider expanding your digital product offerings to include other design elements like printable wall art or digital sewing patterns. Step 10. Now, go back to SEO writing to check if your blog articles have been generated. If yes, simply copy everything with one click and then head over to medium.com. Medium is an online publishing platform where you can write and read on a wide range of topics. It's also a great place to get traffic because Medium has a well-established domain, which means your blog articles can rank high on Google. Register for a free account, then click here to paste your title and the entire blog article. Once your article is published, copy the URL and move on to the next tool, Canva. Step 11. Canva is an easy graphic design tool that offers a variety of templates to customize. These visuals will help draw attention and encourage clicks from users who are browsing through their feeds. Sign up for free and search for Pinterest templates. Then, create a promo design for your blog article and download it as a PNG file. Step 12. Now go back to Pinterest, click Create a Pin, and share a promo design from Canva to promote your Medium blog article. This will help you maximize your traffic and thus your earnings. Keep in mind that over 70% of Pinterest users are female, making this our target audience for this promotion. Step 13. You can do the same with Imgur now. Log back into your account, create a post, and promote the Medium article. By combining traffic from Medium, Google, Pinterest, Etsy, and Imgur, imagine the size of the audience you're reaching. To maximize your reach even more, here's the secret free platform, which is Herculist. Step 14. Herculist lets you advertise to thousands of people every day for free. This means you can write one email per day that will be sent to a list of over 1,000 different leads. When you sign up for Herculist, you can start sending email advertisements to a list of interested recipients. The beauty of this system is that these individuals have opted in to receive emails, meaning you won't have to worry about your messages being marked as spam. As a free member, you can send your advertisement to up to 1,000 people daily. If you're looking for more extensive outreach, Herculist offers paid memberships, Pro and Gold, that provide even greater benefits. Pro members can send their ads to the entire database of approximately 181,000 users every other day, while Gold members enjoy daily access to this extensive list. So there you have it, folks. By following these simple steps and using free tools, you can start earning money like others who are making thousands of dollars every day. The key is consistency and learning from each step as you go along. So don't get discouraged if it takes a bit of time. Keep at it, and you'll soon be on your way to financial success. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to our channel and grow with us. Click on the videos popping up on your screen right now to join me for more money-making ideas.